Hi everyone, today we're looking at surface tension, something I've always had a fascination about. What I've got here is a glass of water and I've added food colouring just so we can see what's going to happen a little bit more. And let's say that's full, right? But what we're going to do is we're going to top up with some more water here and to see how full we can do that. Now I happen to have a dropper here, a pipette, but you could use a teaspoon or whatever else you can find around home to drop bits of water in and see how much more we can put into this thing. Now be careful not to bump it as you go. We keep going. Another thing, by the way, with these, if you squeeze it, you're getting the air out of them. When you release it, it fills up with water. It's just another thing on the side. How are we going? Wonder how full we can get. Wonder how many drops you can get into there. Some people do this on a coin. I think it shows just a bit more of a lip when you can keep going here. You see that lip yet? Starting to form on the top. See that? Now what's happening here is what I said was surface tension. And water has this, these molecules that hang out together, and the closer to the surface, they hang on really tight together and form almost like a stretchy, elasticy skin over the top. How's that going? Can you see that lovely little raised top over the top? Yep. There we go. Super, super. I reckon I could even try a couple more in there, but I want you to go have a go and see how far you can get with it. If I do this, you'll actually see the water holding to my finger. See that? That's what we call surface tension. Now, I'll just carefully shift that to the side, and that shows that tension and holding together. Here, what I've got is a bigger bowl of water, and I'm going to place a paper clip on top of it. Now what I'm going to do to help me just to put it in place, I'm actually going to rest it on here because it probably more times than not would just sink if I put it in. But if I put it in first with the piece of tissue like that and then push the tissue away carefully, there we go. Our paper clip is hanging on to the surface tension there, floating on top. Now I've got a cotton bud here. I'm going to put that next to it, and look, nope, it's still hanging in there. But what we'll do is now I'm going to break that surface tension, getting a little bit of dishwashing liquid. It's similar to what we were doing with that Milk Mosaic the other day. Now when I do this, I wonder what's going to happen now. You watch that paper clip. It moves around. And we'll put it a bit more closer there. Keeps moving, doesn't it? In fact, if you put too much on around near it, it should actually... Ha! I did this before. There it went. It sinks. Now, it took a little longer to sink this time, but you have a go and you watch how you broke so much that surface tension, then it sunk. Now, one other very, very quick one over here, watching that surface tension happen. With a little bowl of water, going to sprinkle some pepper on the top like that and have that same cotton bud, and you watch what happens here. Actually, first of all, one without, zip, ta-da, just stays in there like that, but one with the soap, bam, spread just like that. Surface tension is fascinating, isn't it? I think it's a load of fun. Bye now.